Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making a homemade aphid spray for getting rid of those pesky buggers on your orchids or your house plants or any other big broadleaf plants that may have aphids like that. This spray works really well with some household ingredients that are easy to come by, and I've never seen any harm come to anything I've ever used it on, and I use it liberally and often, and it always works for me. So homemade aphid leaf shine. 3 ingredients. You're going to need some 70% rubbing alcohol. You're going to need some water, and we're going to need some Blue Dawn dish soap. This is fairly important. This is kind of the magic ingredient. Dawn is just a nice dish soap that is safe for the environment and everything else. The blue is the original, and for whatever reason, it just works the best. This is what they use for oil spills and anything like that, for cleaning wildlife up. It just seems to be environmentally safe. So we're going to use these 3 ingredients, and let's get started on it right now. So I have my spray bottle here. And you know what? I think afterwards we are going to go and spray some aphids. So hopefully you can see that there. Super easy. I need 1 cup. Sorry. I'm making 1 cup altogether, so I can take a half a cup of water, like so. Half a cup of rubbing alcohol, like so. So you can pick up this at any, I get it at Walmart, or I think I got that actually at Costco, but as I said, you don't need this much Dawn. I do shop at Costco, so that is the small size at Costco, and we're going to use 1 teaspoon for 500 mils of, and I'm just sort of pouring here. I don't know if you can see that or not. There we go. It doesn't have to be an exact amount, we just want some. So we'll pour that in first. Just pouring it in here. It's good and thick, so I thought start with that. Now we will add some water, wash down all the soap, and then we'll add the alcohol. Again, in no real particular order. Those are the simple 3 ingredients for it. Give it a shake. The alcohol is going to cut the waxy surface of the aphids, and then the soap is going to be what neutralizes them. And there we go. It is just that easy to make a homemade aphid leaf spray. So let's go downstairs and blast some aphids. All right, lovely sunny afternoon out here. And here are the aphids on my taro. I have been wintering this guy inside, and these things are just like magnets for aphids. So it's been in my garage. It's basically dormant, throwing up its first new leaf of the season. But yeah, I noticed it was like just full of aphids. So you're going to get rid of these guys once and for all. And it usually takes 1 treatment. So here's my bottle of stuff. I'll zoom you back out. And just like so, the aphids will be gone. It's funny because I made some of this up a few weeks back for a different plant, for a banana. And the banana's here in the garage as well. It had hundreds of aphids on it. And literally, like, you can see there's a line of dead aphids where the banana had grown like 2 days later. You can see the leaf unfurling, and there was like this line of dead aphids and like fresh, untouched, no aphids on the other side. So it works really well. Anyways, that's all you need to do. The alcohol will quickly evaporate, and the only thing left will be a little bit of soap residue, and these aphids will not be happy within a few hours. So I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching.